Okay. If you try, just make a note. Did you try with this to solve that?
No.
Okay. If anyone tried, just make a note. That was one extra free point. You should take these chances to get these 3 points. That will help at the end. I promise. Okay. If you didn't try, that is absolutely okay. What we will do now, I think we completed part A, right? Now we will start working on part B. There are just one thing I want to add here, which is here, I didn't say what is the fluid type here. The fluid is water, and this one is 62.4. Okay. Now you need to find the pressure at A. This part is open to atmosphere, and I will name this point as B and this point as C. So PC equals to what? What is the value at C? It's open to atmosphere. If some, it will be 0, yes. Now, to solve this question, you can start from A or you can start from C. Do whatever you find easier, do that. Eventually, you'll come up with the same answer. So, just to remind you all the rules, you will start from any point and then we'll move to the next interface. If you are going downward, you will add the pressure. If you are going upward, you will subtract the pressure. So let's do that. I will check with you at 10:25. So it's 21. You have 4 minutes. Try to work on that. If you have any question, let me know. And I will show you in both ways. Start from C and start from A. Those who are in Zoom, you can see the screen, right? Okay, work on that. If you have any answer, let me know. And make sure when you give me the answer, tell me the sign. First, write down the expression and make sure the depth is in inches. So what we need to do? Convert into feet, and how can you do that? Yes. Do that. If you have any answer, just let me know what is the number you got. The answer from everyone. People here actually the calculation, everyone. And those who have the answer already, just let me know. Make sure you 0.96 is a specific gravity, that is not the specific weight. So we need to.
Ma'am.
Yes. What number you got?
Well, I did not get a number.
Oh.
I just wanted you to check. No.
Just think that way. If you go more downward direction, you are having more natural, right? That's why the pressure will increase. Upward direction, you decrease in the natural. That That's why it's negative.
It's not-
You make it. So
so this should be, it's not.
yes, your expression is correct.
Man.
Yeah.
When you're at church, I got an A1. You know what that is?
It seems it's something
Mhm.
very special. Or something.
Yeah, it is.
Special.
Yeah, so you're in trouble.
Anyone else got any number? That shouldn't be that much hard. You should get
When I was in corporate, I feel like that.
Yeah, I know. I was like, that's not nice.
Now,
It's definitely. What
what
are
do
you
you
doing?
decide on gamma?
Three 16. 316. 316.
That one?
Oh. I know.
Now, it was A.
Hold on.
Okay. So you should get a negative number here. That's because a pump is working here and pump actually sucks water from outside. That means the pressure inside that pump should be negative so that it can attract more fluid. Okay. Okay. So start from A. Which one I should do first? Start from C or A? C. Okay. So at C, the pressure at C is PC. Then where is the next interface? B. And is it above or below the C? Okay, so that should be gamma. I don't know the fluid here, so I will just, okay, what I will do from this point, this substance over gamma water. So gamma of this substance will be 2.96 multiplied with 62.4, right? Okay, so I will just write down gamma. Oops. Substance, and the depth will be what? 18.2 over 12, right? Now, once you're here at B, we don't have any other interface, but we want to move till point A because that's the pressure we want to calculate, right? So point A is above point B or C or below point B. What is the position of point A with respect to B? Okay, so again, we will equals to PA. Now you can calculate PA. The same thing if I start from the pump, it will be PA. What is the next interface from A? What is the next interface from A? B, and is it is below point A, right? So I will add that 7.5 over 12. From B, where is the next interface? Say it loudly. Where is the next interface from B? C, and it is also below point B, right?
Yes.
Okay, and the distance between B and C is 18.2 over 12. Now, once you are here, that means it's PC, and we know the pressure at PC is what? 0. Now calculate the pressure at PA. And if you calculate properly, some of you already got that number, you should get 319, negative 319. And what will be the unit? Pound per feet square. Yes. Okay. So it doesn't matter from which point you are starting to work on that, eventually you will come up with the same number. Okay. Now, once you are done with that, we will spend a significant amount of time on the next one.
No.
If you can come up with the answer, then I don't have to. Everyone's done with this one? Okay. So, are you seeing this one? We have already multiple loops here. And there is no point here which is open to atmosphere. That means we don't know pressure at any point. So that's why instead of getting an exact pressure value, they are asking you to find PB and the difference between PB and PA. Now, one thing, are you seeing we have one B here and one B here?
Yes.
So that will be confusing. Let's make this B as B prime. Okay. Let's make this B as B prime. And now we have three different fluids here with no point where we know the pressure. So we will spend time on that. We will make sure that everyone gets the correct expression, and then we'll move to the next one. So what you will do, start working on that. Start from point B, okay, and then find the next interface like G. Then the next interface is A, then B, then C, then you will move to the B prime. So do this way and try to find the expression. I will be here and we will spend as much time as we need to get the correct answer for this question. I want to see 17 of you are getting the correct expression. Okay. So you can discuss with your friend, you can discuss with me, but please work on this problem right now. Okay. Start from B. Start from point B. So it should be P, B, and then positive, negative, whatever you think. I'll be here. You can discuss with your friends. Anyone, just start working on that. Start with PB, and the next interface is G, which is below point B. So you should add the pressure. After that, the next interface is here. The E point is just like at that point here. What you can do, you can come at F, and then from F to D, which is actually F to E, so you can use that one here. No, and you can write down that way. You start with PB, then you have to start with this one, the gamma is or something. So If you move to this point, the gamma water multiplied with
Plus,
PGT.
plus,
That
minus,
should be the
plus.
question, then, not PGTF. Okay? What expression? Downward, upward, downward. Yes, perfect. Now just find the expression like here and
Same
there.
thing, just from,
Wait, what?
that's good. You got the same thing. Now we
You
just
will
go
just
from
move,
A.
you just move that PA from here and move everything there that is PA.
Wait, what?
Now just do the same thing for PA to PB.
No, you don't have to write down the expression for PB here also. The person is asking what? PB minus PA.
No, so you just move
You will-
the PA
yeah.
over here and then you just transfer. it.
Yes, you just.
Well, that would give us the
Oh,
same
oh,
thing
oh,
as if we
oh,
started from A and then just.
Yeah.
Which is not right. Yes.
Okay, I got to see two expression now and actually more. What's on or some help?
Are you starting from BC?
I'm literally just. No, you're not going from PA.
No, first PA.
You
You know what you said?
literally,
Listen.
what is the question?
6 o'clock.
What is the question?
PB
PB
minus,
minus PA.
yeah.
What do you have in these two hours? PB, PA. What can you do to find PB minus PA equals 6? If you minus PA, bring it to the other side. Now you have PB minus PA plus this and all this.
Yeah,
So now
that
just
expression is
transfer
correct.
everything to the other side.
Anyone
Yeah.
else?
Watch out. Good. Oh,
People?
no. See?
Downward, downward,
Yeah. Let me see.
upward.
No, you're doing it. You did not understand this.
Yes, that is correct.
Look,
Okay, four.
why are you, so you went from here down and found this, right? So you started B. Now you're going from A.
That's what I'm doing.
Why?
Because you need to
No,
know.
then it's double work. Yes, with like triple work. Yeah. You know what I mean now? Yeah. You know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you're right now.
Look at what I'm doing. Why would I go, like, I get what you're saying, oh, I'm gonna go from here, I'm gonna go from here, and then start in my two things. And then look, it's all-
It doesn't matter.
That's
Good.
B,
She said just use it.
water, B, right?
Look,
I. PB.
So look at what I just did right here.
See what I said.
Look at what I just did right here. I got from
Yeah,
this
so we
expression,
define what is the height and
I
what is
did PB minus PA. It makes you.
Where the oil go? Give me the oil.
So
We didn't finish.
minus plus, yeah, no.
Yeah. You're all of the-
There. Now,
Yes. Mhm. Yes, yes. If you're done, you can start working on the next one. One,
I'm okay with it. Did you do it? Well, you've been moving on.
Ah. You know,
No, that.
Hey, man. Shit, bro.
You know why? You know why this is here? So that when I'm going to put it somewhere tactical, I chip out and it slips inside of
Yeah, that's right. Technically, this is.
What I wish,
I wish this.
they have markets right here, like actual little thing.
You're
So,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, if you but we just put his phone in for his piece and just listen to the plug.
yeah.
What a good.
Let it be.
Is he like? But it's really cool, I feel like. This is sit down. Get the pressure. Like use 2000. All right, all right. When the pressure and. And see the. Oh. The pressure, so we know it's fucking 2000. You can just go straight to B. And do it that way, and then go from B to A. So you all extra.
Yeah, you're not doing that.
Keep it going down.
Yeah. So you-
Oh, it's negative.
Because it's not open, that's
So,
why,
okay, then
right? It's not open.
no, it's what,
Yes, sir, this is the main difference. Right?
man,
Minus, no, but down is good, but.
Yeah.
that's what we looked at this. Man,
Yes,
I have a question.
yes.
So in here, I need to see was
That is the, it's the advantage that
because
you know. Yeah, yeah, you can do in
Yes, you're
multiple
right,
ways.
you're right.
You can do that, you can solve that in multiple ways. Okay.
Yeah,
So you start from PB.
So it's
Now
not
you
even
just go
necessarily the
from-
length, it's just the difference in the length.
No, you start from here, that one is.
Even if you multiply by the height, it's
Yeah.
350, but
Even if you start from here, okay, that's fine.
No, you
That
want
is
it,
the
you
right
don't want
of
it.
height. And then you
It's
can do
250.
here,
you only
but
have
the
to,
thing is here, the
the
debate is oil, not the market.
right? See how you on the.
So the
previous
main
one,
okay,
thing
okay,
is
wait,
to
let me-
find what
Yeah, I
type of
don't
oil
need
is
that.
that.
Yeah, so you did,
Okay, it should be oil
Yeah.
plus
and then you
one.
did plus,
This one
or you did
here,
minus 40.
this
No, I
one
did plus the down is good. No, I didn't do that. I was just plus it on
Oh,
there.
because you just go from
It's
this
just a difference,
It
right?
will, like it will be same, if you go from this side or this side,
plus the,
the expression will be same, it's just like how you're moving that. Okay, since you started from that point, that is fine, just
no, you
VGC
just,
times gamma. Not market, because there is not the market.
so we
Yeah.
see, the solving.
Okay, so I have 6 minutes, I will try to write down these one. Okay, you will help me. So I started from PB. Where is the next interface? Where is the, you need to answer me. Okay, where is the next interface?
Is G.
G. It has to be loud so that everyone can hear. So G is the next interface. Is it below or above the point B?
Below,
So we need to,
plus,
good. So gamma, water, each,
what is
HGH. Okay. After that, what is the next interface? F is the next interface here. Again, it's below. So, but this time we are the liquid is
Mercury.
mercury. Yes. So HGF. Now you are here. Where is the next interface? D, right? E or D, like D is the interface. That's why we will calculate till E, because E is not the interface. D is the interface. But E and D, they are in the same horizontal level. And we know that at horizontal level, there is no variation in pressure. That's what you will use. You will use the E because that is the fluid pressure creating the pressure or something. Okay. So from here, though D is the interface, I will calculate up to which point? E. So I'm going upward direction. So, and what is the fluid here? Gamma, water, HEF, right? Okay. After that, where is the next interface? Now I'm not at E, but I can move to the D because they're in the same level. So from D, the next interface is C. Okay. So from C, it is downward or upward direction. From D.
So positive.
And the fluid will be mercury HCl, right? Okay, now you are here. I need to move up to this point. So minus this time, what will be the liquid? Okay. And once you are here, the pressure equals to PA. And now you can rearrange this. And that should be the expression for this PV minus PA. Okay. Now we don't have any numbers here. If we had any numbers, you needed to make sure that you convert everything into standard unit. If it was in millimeter, you need to convert into meter. If it was in inches, you need to convert into feet, right? Okay. Now, everyone, did you get the idea? I know this one was a long, but that's why I chose that so that you do a long practice with this one to get the idea how to work on that. Are you seeing the arrow sign I gave here? That's how you will move here, like along with each arrow sign that will help you with which fluid you need to use. Okay. Now, one confusion you may get, the next interface after F is B, right here. So you may get, ma'am, why we are not using the liquid as mercury? You will not use that mercury because you are moving this way, and here the fluid is actually the water. So it's always easier if you move through the pipe so that you don't have to be confused. Okay, which liquid I will use. Okay. Okay. So we have one more part for class example 7. I don't think we have time to start that. I will start that in next class, and we will go to lab on Friday, but I will email you like before the class or after the class, we will go to the lab. So I will email you on that. And if you have any question about this one or test, just ask me. Okay. Thank you, class. Yes.